Okay, so this is my video essay about the heart and how blood travels through the heart. So this is my heart. These are the lungs here, and this is my big heart muscle here. So blood would enter in both the superior and the inferior vena cava. This is deoxygenated blood, means that there is no oxygen in the blood. So the blood will come through both sides. The superior vena cava will receive blood from the upper part of the body, and the inferior vena cava will receive blood from the lower part of the body. Both of these areas would meet into the right atrium, which is here. The heart then contracts and goes through the tricuspid valve, which is here, and I kind of just got like a little sparkle there. So that's the tricuspid valve there. And it goes into the right ventricle. The heart then contracts again, and the tricuspid valve is closed, and the blood is pushed up through the pulmonary valve. From there, the blood goes up into the pulmonary artery. And since it is an artery, blood is carried away from the heart. So this deoxygenated blood goes into the lungs on both sides. Gas exchange occurs within the lungs. And now we have oxygenated blood, which comes through the pulmonary veins on both sides, which is here. And from the veins, it will go into the left atrium. The heart will contract, and here is my bicuspid valve, which is another sparkle dot. The bicuspid valve, the blood will flow from the left atrium through the bicuspid valve into the left ventricle. The bicuspid valve will close, the heart will contract again, and the blood is now pushed up through the aortic valve, which is here. The blood then goes up into the aorta, and it will now go through these three sections of the aorta, and it will now have oxygenated blood. This is my oxygenated blood on this side, the red. So the oxygenated blood is now pushed up through the aorta and through these sections of the aorta into the rest of the body. Again, the blue is my deoxygenated blood, which goes into the lungs. Gas exchange occurs, and my oxygenated blood is the red section, which goes to the rest of the body.